Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you from Dollar General, doing our 5 off 25. I'm going to bring you some different deals than the normal Tide and Gain, as well as that they're all going to be digital, all digital, no paper coupons needed. I will come to you with an all Gain deal, so let's get that out the way. Alrighty, first thing I'm going to pick up is this big one down here for $13.50, and we have a $3 off coupon. And the next thing I'm going to be picking up is one of these for $6.95. We have a $2 off coupon. And then let's turn back around. We are going to also pick up one of these that is 70 fluid ounce. Like, they don't have any 75s. No, I guess not. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to just pick up this one for $6.95 with a $2 off coupon. Alright, I'm going to scan these, make sure that they attach, but I will be picking up 2 of the Gain dish soaps. And we have a $1 digital coupon off of 2. The next item I will be picking up is just one of these. I know that we have a $1 off 2, but I'm actually just going to pick up one. Well, actually, there is only one of the Gain, but that's all I wanted anyway. Alrighty, as you can see, we have the one for $13.50, $6.95, $6.95, $3, and $2 a piece. Altogether, this is going to be $33.40. And after all digitals come off, we will be at $15.40. And the reason why we are at $15 because we want that $5.01 coupon to come off, or to be at the end of the receipt. Because if you do it in a cheaper way, like taking off that, you're still going to be at like $12 or $13. So we might as well shoot for the $15 and get back that $5, making all these items $10.40. Alrighty everyone, it worked out perfectly. I did buy the buy 3 get 1 candy for free. The Snickers and the not the Kit Kats. What did I get? Twix, because I had that $2 off $2 off 201 coupon, so I had to get rid of that. But yeah, this worked out perfectly. As you can see, everything rang up. All coupons came off. Both discounts came off. $15.40, savings of $18 for 6 items. And we got our 501. And we got our 501 coupon, making everything $10.40 for all 6 items. Yeah. Alright everyone, the next thing that I'm going to be picking up is this Sun detergent. This is 250 fluid ounces, 156 loads. This is $8 and we have a $1 off coupon. The next item I will be picking up is one of these Tired Simply pods. We have a $2 digital coupon that is glitching and coming off of this, making it 95 cents. We'll be picking up is one of these for $5. I do have a $5 exclusive coupon making this free. And then I can reach it. Ugh. This one right here, that is $3. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1. Alrighty, and the next thing that I was going to pick up, but they obviously don't have here, is the big razors for $4.50. I'm trying to look it over. And that would have been $3 off, making it $1.50. So now we're going to find another fill-in. Let's see what else we have on our digital account. Alrighty, so the next item I will be picking up in replacement of the razors is this Eucerin. We have a $3 off coupon. Well, I do. It is an exclusive coupon. If you don't, you just know that the total will be $1 more. But this is $4.50, and we have a $3 off coupon, making this $1.50. Alrighty, the next item I will be picking up is this mixed fruit. This is in the dollar aisle, and we have a 75-cent off coupon for this, making it 25 cents. Let's throw that down here. All right, everyone, I did pick up a water. They ran out of the Welch's, the little ones that would get the dollar, the overage of 34 cents. So I just threw in the water because I was thirsty anyway, and I forgot mine at home. So here is the deal on this. So it would have been $1 cheaper, but that's okay. So we have the Sun, that's $8, and all the rest of them, all the digitals came off, the 5 off 25. We have a savings of $18.75 for 7 items for $6.45. And remember, we got this big giant jug here, 250 fluid ounces of the Sun detergent, and that is originally $8, so we didn't even pay for that. Okay, we basically paid for that and not even tax. Look at the tax. And then plus my total, $7.68. So we still paid less than $1 $8 bundle. Alrighty, and my last transaction that I'm going to do is on some Extra. I actually really like Extra, and it cleans very well. And since I do some home care stuff, it helps out if you got a lot of piss in your clothes. It actually refreshes it. So I'm gonna pick up one of these, and I think I'm gonna go with Extra Oxy. It's either gonna be the Mountain Rain or this one that is Crystal Clean. They are $4.50. We have a $1 off coupon. I think I'll go for Crystal Clean. Okay. Alrighty, the next item I will be picking up is one of these. They are $3, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making it $1. Alrighty, I actually rounded the corner, and now I see the razors are right here. So these are $4.50 with a $3 off coupon, making it $1.50. Alright, the next 3 items I'm going to pick up are these Head and Shoulders. They are $2 a piece. We have a $3 off 2, and then a $1 off 1. Add that in. And I did pick up a water to do my fill-in since there's no Welch's here, so that will be my fill-in. Alrighty, so I had to switch everything around because they are out of the floss, the $2 toothpaste, and the $2 toothbrushes. So I'm gonna pick this up. I have a $3 digital coupon, making this $1.50, and let's figure out what else we can fill in. Alrighty, the next items I will be picking up is this pen for $1, and we have a $1 digital off coupon, making it free. Alrighty, the next item I'm picking up is the earwig. I have a $1.50 that is expiring today. These are $3.35. So yeah, a lot of stuff they're out of, and sometimes you gotta make it work because maybe there's not a close store or so. So I'm just showing you how to improvise to still get a low out of pocket with the items that are still in store. Alrighty, so here is my receipt. Let me get where you can see everything. Alright, everything came off, and even though a lot of the stuff I didn't plan on purchasing, still helped out. I mean, because the laundry detergent alone is $4.50, and we got some pretty good stuff. I mean, I have some pens, and the shampoo and stuff like that. All that adds up. So our subtotal is $6.35 for 9 items, a savings of $20.50, and we even got a little bit of air freshener. Alright everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, and make sure that you use up, if you click that $2 off to your account. I just bought some doggy treats to get that off, and then I also, I didn't even show you. If you have that $5 digital coupon, hey, wait, where is it? I'll leave that other bag. Oh, let me go back in there. Sorry, I thought I left the cartridge in there. Actually, it is right. Wait a minute. Of course, when I'm looking for it again, I can't find it. Oh, this. Pick this up, $10. Have a $5 off coupon. Pay $5 and change, and then you get the $4.01 printed off at the end of the receipt. Do it by itself. Don't try to get any money makers and stuff like that. It will not print if you use that $2, or if you get the Welch's. I guess you have to spend $5 or more in order to get that coupon at the end. So don't forget, do this by itself. Alrighty, bye.